It seems that music has the uncanny ability to bring even the most opposite of adversaries together at last. And perhaps, good people, that is the true wisdom of the day. Not that good must vanquish evil, or that even the smallest of folk can be the true heroes, but no, at the end of each day, we can all gather together and revel in those things which we all can enjoy. Song, dance, laughter, joy. Truly, whether ye be lowly peasant, noble queen, bumbling bailiff, or merry traveller, whoe'er you be, know that in this moment, however fleeting it may be, know that we are all together. So, good people, if you'll have it, one last song, as we wish you farewell and adieu. Robin Hood and Little John have both gone to the Faire, and we shall to the merry Greenwood to see what they do there.
Alento, jolly rumble-o, we were up long before the day-o, to welcome in the summertime, to welcome in the May-o. Summer is a-coming in, and winter's gone away-o. The hornet hunter and the hare are rising for the dawn-o, to be the first to chase the buck and run all in the morn-o. Alento, jolly rumble-o, we were up long before the day-o, to welcome in the summertime, to welcome in the May-o. Summer is a-coming in, and winter away-o. Here's the good Queen Eleanor, and all her power and might-o, to bring us peace to England, bring peace our day and night-o. Alento, jolly rumble-o, we were up long before the day-o, to welcome in the summertime, to welcome in the May-o. Summer is a-coming in, and winter's gone away-o. Alento, jolly rumble-o, we were up long before the day-o, to welcome in the summertime, to welcome in the May-o. Summer is a-coming in, and winter's gone away-o.
Evening dew and lovers true, and fond farewells to each of you. But come once more to Nottingham, for this needn't be the end.
Merry meet and merry part.
And merry meet again!
God save the Queen!
God save the Queen!
To the gates!
To the